Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about the great cities of Indus Valley civilization and their society structure.
The ancient ruins of Harappa were discovered by Dayaram Sahani in 1921 and the ruins of Mohenjo-daro were discovered by Rakhaldas Banerjee in 1922. Some more cities of the Indus Valley civilization that were discovered are Lothal, Ropar, Kalibagan, Alamgirpur, Surkotada and Banavali. Two recent cities discovered are Rakhi Gari and Dholavira.
Location: Mohenjo-daro means Mound of the Dead. It is located on the banks of the river Indus in the Larkana district. Harappa is situated on the banks of river Ravi in Montgomery district in Punjab.
The Great Granary at Harappa was a large building. Historians believe that it was used to store surplus food grains. There were 2 rows of granaries. Each row had 6 granaries. A similar granary has been found at Mohenjo-daro. All the granaries were built close to the river bank so that the grains could be transported easily through water.
Another important building was the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. This building resembled a large swimming pool. It had 6 entrances, a central bathing pool, galleries, and dressing rooms. 2 flights of steps led to the bottom of the pool. The floor and walls of the pool were made up of burnt bricks and made watertight with the lining of a bitumen. Water from an adjacent well was used to fill the pool with fresh water, and the used water was drained out through an outlet in one corner. The Great Bath was probably used during religious ceremonies.
The Assembly Hall. The Assembly Hall was another striking building found at Mohenjo-daro. It was pillared hall with thick walls and 20 pillars made up of burnt bricks. This may have been an assembly hall, a prayer hall, or a palace.
Dwelling houses. Large blocks of houses were built along the sides of the streets. The houses, many of them double-storied, had flat roofs. They were of different sizes. Some were like palaces, while others had only 2 small rooms. They were made up of baked bricks of very good quality. They have lasted for over 4,500 years. An average house had a courtyard surrounded by rooms, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a well. A narrow staircase led to the rooms upstairs.
The social structure. The Harappan society consisted of servants, several groups. The groups were rulers, merchants, traders, and artisans, and laborers.
Food. Wheat was the staple food. Farmers also grew barley, mustard, fruits, and vegetables. Milk, meat, fish, and eggs formed a part of their diet.
The main occupation of the Indus Valley people was farming. Farmers grew wheat, barley, fruits, and vegetables. The land was fertile enough and the farmers grew enough food for the Indus Valley people.
Dress and ornaments. People wore cotton and woolen garments. 2-piece dresses were worn by both men and women. Ornaments. Both men and women wore ornaments. They wore necklaces, amulets, and finger rings.
The Indus Valley people were excellent potters and skilled craftspersons. They made pottery of various shapes and sizes on the potter's wheel. These pots were generally glazed and painted. They made terracotta female figures which were probably the symbol of Mother Goddess. They also knew the art of using metals. The goldsmiths made gold and silver jewelry, the coppersmiths made utensils, and the bronzesmiths made tools, weapons, and metal sculpture, such as the famous figure of the dancing girl. They were also engaged in other crafts like bricklaying, boat making, stone cutting, and carpentry.
Decline of Indus Valley. Major reasons given by scholars regarding the decline of the Indus Valley civilization was a shift in the course of river and natural disasters. Some of the scholars also believe that the wars with the Aryan civilization may also be the reason of their decline. Because of this, the Indus Valley civilization came to an abrupt end.
Facts. They were the first people in the world to cultivate wheat.
The bronze smiths were an important group of artisans in the Indus Valley civilization.
They got copper from the Khetri mines.
Tin came in the Indus Valley civilization from Afghanistan and Iran.
They invented the wheel.
Allahabad is the smallest site of Indus Valley civilization.
Wheels were used in Harappa were axle-less.
Houses had sleeping and cooking areas, courtyards and upper stories.
Around 400 different symbols have been found on seals till now.
The Indus Valley civilization traded in gold, silver and precious stones.
Indus Valley farmers cooked on hard bits and grounded grain into flour by rubbing a rounded stone across on top of a flat stone.
The goddess or the mother, the sun, the rain god, the king of the gods with his thunderbolt, Indra, were the main gods for Indus Valley civilization.
The Indus Valley civilization is India's earliest known urban civilization. The Harappan cities may be in ruins, but the reconstruction and rediscovery of our ancient culture from these ruins instill in us is a feeling of great pride in our ancient and glorious past.
Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you are new to channel, also press the notification bell for new updates.
Thank you.